My name is Roderick Wiles, and I'm the Regional Director of the American Hardwood Export Council. We're here again at Delhiwood 2023, having been here a number of times before and also at the Indiawood show in Bangalore. This year we have a large pavilion. We have 12 US hardwood exporting companies in our pavilion, and also the states of Missouri and Indiana represented. According to our members who are here, and from what we've seen over these first 3 days of the show, it's been a really busy show, some really good inquiries. All of our members who have flown all the way from the United States to be here feel as though it was very much worthwhile they're coming to the show, and they've developed some good leads and actually sold some wood as well, so there's been some real business out of this. Taking part in Delhiwood and Indiawood and perhaps Mumbaiwood as well is a really big, important part of our strategy in India to reach as many people as possible, to educate them on American hardwoods, to make sure that they're aware of what's available from the United States, and to hopefully provide access to them. India is a very exciting opportunity for the American hardwood industry. This market is really beginning to show its potential as a long-term and significant market for American hardwood. So we're very excited, and we like to have this opportunity to be here at this show. So it's really good to be back. Delhiwood has been spectacular this year. It's been superb.